Brace for another cold front this weekend. Vulnerable groups like the victims of Hurricane Melissa are again on edge. In St. James, a single mother of two who has been living in an unfinished bathroom is facing anxiety. As Kalisha Williams reports, she is urgently appealing for help.
We will not tell you her name or show her face on camera, but what we can say is that she's from Garlands in Flamstead, St. James, a single mother of two who has been having a tough time since Hurricane Melissa.
It is really rough, and it is still rough because my home was completely destroyed. I had to stay with neighbors, which was very overcrowded. Then I got a small place to stay. As you're looking at it now, it's someone's uncompleted building, which is I'm staying in the bathroom.
And then her resilience was again tested by the cold front that impacted the island last weekend.
It is very cold. When it rains, I have to be using other materials to cover the windows. I don't have a door, I don't have a window, so I have to put board there, so it's really hard. Plus the cold front, honestly, this is worse than staying on the outside because it's concrete, so it's very cold.
But because she has two young boys, she has to stay in this temporary structure. She pointed to this area where she said she has been receiving help to rebuild, but she needs more assistance. On top of that, another cold front is expected to impact the island on Friday, so she's even more concerned.
I got some help from private persons and on the way to getting a house. But I need some manpower to help me now to finish it so I can move in with the boys. But it's really hard, but thanks for the little help, especially from the private person that gave me some ply and also from Council Sweeby that gave me some zinc ply too before, and some more ply should be coming shortly. I have to cope. I'm still here, so that's the best thing. Melissa did not take my kids and I, so I know I can make it. It may be rough, but I'll make it. With God, everything is possible. We just have to brace ourselves. As I said, there's no windows, there's no door where I'm staying because it's an incompleted bathroom. So all I have to do is to just put two of the plies at the windows and at the doors.
While the Met Service has indicated that the upcoming cold front will not be as bad as the one last weekend, many Jamaicans have been appealing for people to make donations to homeless people and other victims of Hurricane Melissa so that they can cope during the cold. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.